Hello teacher and partners, my name is Vanessa Tapia. I'm going to talk about the 5 least reasons to learn new language. The first one is you should study English because you have the opportunity to know about the new cultures or meet new person. The second one is that you can travel to another country and of course make an interchange with another person that is interested to know about your own cultures. The third one is that you can work as a teacher or you can work as a touristic guide and you can get an extra money. The fourth is that you can help another people to learn English, for example, on another language. And the fourth is that you will have the opportunity to, of course, to acquire the new knowledge and acquire an experience and know about another cultures. And that's all. So thank you.